The anticipation is building for Apple's upcoming October 2024 event, where we're expected to witness some exciting product announcements. Although Apple hasn't made an official announcement yet, reliable sources, such as Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, suggest that we will see a range of new devices. The spotlight will likely shine on an updated iPad mini and debut of the first Macs powered by the M4 series chips. Let's delve into what we can expect from this highly anticipated event. Starting with the MacBook Pro, we don't expect any groundbreaking redesigns this time around. The primary highlight will be the integration of the new M4 chip, which promises enhanced performance and efficiency. The last significant redesign occurred in 2021, so major changes might not come until 2026, when we could see new OLED displays and a slimmer profile for these MacBooks. This October, the M4 chip will likely serve as the main attraction, bringing a new level of power and Apple Intelligence features that could finally be made available to the general public. Now let's talk about the Mac Mini. This model is expected to undergo a significant redesign, the first since 2010. Reports indicate that the new Mac Mini will resemble the size of an Apple TV, although it might be slightly taller than the current model, which stands at 1.4 inches high. Returning to the Mac Mini, Apple is reportedly testing models that feature at least 3 USB-C ports on the back, with the possibility of 2 additional ports on the front. This model will continue to feature an HDMI port in a designated area for the power cable. iPad mini was released back in September 2021, and it came packed with impressive features like a larger 8.3-inch display, USB-C support, a Touch ID power button, the A15 Bionic chip, 5G capabilities for cellular models, a 12-megapixel rear camera with center stage support, and compatibility with the second-generation Apple Pencil. This October, Apple's event promises to deliver significant updates that could reshape the landscape of its product lineup. With the introduction of the M4 chip, redesigned Macs, and an updated iPad mini, there's plenty to look forward to. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest news and insights from the world of Apple. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.